Welcome to WebStylePlus. In this video, I will show you how to make a desktop app from a website or web page. So go to desired URL. In my case, I have opened openai.com. Then click on these three dots, top right corner, and then click on cast, save and share. Then select install page as app. Choose the name and click install. And now this is the app. The website has opened as an app. App is installed. This is its icon on desktop. I can click that icon and the app will be opened. It's the front page of that website. But now I can view and use this whole website as an app. It helps keep important web pages on my desktop and in front of me all the time without bookmarking them. So go to any website and repeat this process to make an app out of it. A very good use case is this ChatGPT. So I am using this ChatGPT app on desktop in Windows. For Windows, ChatGPT desktop app isn't available right now, but I have created this desktop app for ChatGPT from chatgpt.com website URL. So this is a good use case of a website desktop app on Windows. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.